Good afternoon, guys. This is Arup Ghoshal from Vidyaxcel. Yesterday we spoke about VIT and KIIT. Today we will speak about another premium institute, which is SRM. Now, SRM is one of the top engineering colleges, means one of the top BTech options for students who wants to pursue their BTech in South India, mostly Chennai. SRM has got 6 campuses. Now I will name them. The main campus of SRM is Kattankulattur campus in Chennai. One is Ramapuram and one is Vadapalani and Tiruchirappalli. Ramapuram campus and Kattankulattur, these are in Chennai, and Vadapalani and Tiruchirappalli inside Tamil Nadu. Apart from that, SRM has got one Amravati in Andhra Pradesh, another campus in NCR. Now, SRM has got a lot of courses, but the main courses which SRM is famous for is computer science and engineering, computer science and cyber security, in big data analysis, computer science, engineering in cloud computing, biotechnology and genetical engineering, nanotechnology, and biomedical engineering. The eligibility criteria is 10+2, 45 to 60% in PCBM, PCM, PCB combination. Now, the entrance exam is the autonomous exam of SRM, SRMJEEE, JEE Mains, and Tamil Nadu Engineering. Application cost is nearly 1200 for each phase. The exam of SRM will be held in 2 phases. Now, I will tell you the exam tentative phase 1. Phase 1 application last date is 13th April 2024. And tentative, the phase 1 exam is 19, 20 and 21st of April. Now phase 2, the last date for application is 15 June, and phase 2 exams are tentatively scheduled on June 21st, 22nd and 23rd. SRM has got the 3,250 high paying offers in the Kattankulattur campus in 2023. This is the most important part of SRM. The hostel fee of SRM ranges from 50k to 1.2 lakhs per year. Now there are a lot of scholarships which I'll probably update, but namely few I'm saying: Founder Scholarship, SRM Merit Scholarship, Chancellor Constituency Scholarship, then SRM Arts and Culture Scholarship, then Defence Scholarship. These are the few scholarships. There are many others. There are 11 scholarships in total, but namely I said. Now the fee structure of SRM ranges from 1,50,000 to 7,50,000 a year, depending on the course and campus. And apart from that, let me tell you about the placement. The SRM has got the finest of placements. The highest has been 57 lakhs per annum, and the average has been 7.58. Now 1,100, this is the most important part, guys, the placement of SRM. 1,153 companies visited the campus for placement and made 8,609 offers to the student during the placement 2023. So this was a small synopsis about SRM. Now if you have any query regarding the admission procedure, if you have SRM in your mind, do contact us. We will guide you accordingly and show you the exact procedure that how to you get yourself admitted in SRM. So for that, contact us, leave your inquiry in vidyaxcel.com, visit our portal and visit other social media, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn. Thank you guys once again, and hope to see you soon with another video of any other top institute in India. Thank you.